Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to SK Lessons. First of all, Ramzan Mubarak to all of you. Today's lesson is a surprise lesson for Ramadan. But before starting our technical part, let's discuss a message, a Ramadan message. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in Quran, Surah Ahzab said, fasting men and fasting women, God has prepared forgiveness and a splendid wait for you. So, Ramadan is such a blessing month. The ones who are fasting, they are getting the forgiveness and a splendid wage for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As in Surah Baqarah also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, but to fast is best for you if you only know. Viewers, life is running out day by day, and Ramzan is an opportunity to realize that this life is nothing but an illusion and test. The real life is life hereafter. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us, forgive us, and purify us and unite us. So this was the message for Ramadan. Let's discuss what is a surprise for this blessed month. Today we are going to discuss how to create Islamic months name list in Excel. You all have noticed that the Gregorian calendar's months name list are given in Excel. Like if you want to generate the name list of January, February, March, you can automatically generate it. But you cannot do it with the Islamic months name list. So today we are going to discuss that. So let's discuss this in the software. Let's open Excel. Here is Excel. I have already typed the name list for you. So, which is the first Islamic month? Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramazan, Shawwal, Zilqad, and the last but not least, Zilhajjah. This I have typed manually. But once you will do what I am telling you today, you can generate it automatically as well whenever you want. The option is same as we discussed in the last lesson as well. It was about custom list. So the same option you will use it today as well. We'll go in File, Options, Advanced. Any guesses? We have to choose some category from here. Okay, we have to find out the general options category. We scroll down. Here it is, and the option name is edit custom list. Here this is the import button for selecting and telling which list you want to import. We just have to click on this red button, then highlight it. Okay, then again the red button and click on add. Okay, it is being added and click on OK. Again OK. Now let's check Muharram. You know, when we have to create any automatic list, we first have to tell the first two of the sequence. Oh, I'm wrong. Okay. As I told you before as well, you have to highlight it. And the point is that the technicality is that you have to keep the mouse here in between the cell, not on the boundaries. Okay, and just drag it down. Then this is the fill handle button. This one, when you put your mouse on it, the mouse will become in this plus sign shape. Then you drag it down and you got the list. And now this has been saved in your Excel until unless we'll reinstall it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.